What's up, everybody? Today we're going to make a one pot French onion skillet with some ground beef. We're gonna start by cutting up 2 onions. Don't dice them, just slice them up. Like you can see right here, cut it in half and then just slice it multiple times, just like that. Watch out for your fingers, of course. We just moved into our new house, so everything's kind of still getting used to doing stuff and things. Go ahead and take a couple teaspoons of oil, put it in a frying pan, get those onions in there, and make sure you caramelize them nice and good, just like that. Now we're just going to put them in a bowl and set them aside for now. Go ahead and take 2 pounds of ground meat, and here you brown that up nice and nice like. I don't even know what to say after that. Go ahead and take some garlic, some salt, pepper, what else? Got some garlic powder, and how about some onion powder too. Make sure you get it all nice and incorporated, nice and seasoned up. Go ahead and add your caramelized onions back once you drain the grease from your pan. Go ahead and take the can of French onion soup from Campbell's and about 2 cups of beef broth and a bag of frozen peas and a cup of long grain rice. Put that on medium to low heat. Let it simmer till the rice fully absorbs all the water and there's no more liquid. Then you add whatever cheese you want. I decided mozzarella cheese, and mix it all together to ooey gooey goodness, and stand by for the trademark of burning of the mouth. And I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time. See ya.